Malumpati. We are now in Malumpati. Woohoo! I'm with my beautiful nephews and niece. Yep, Grace and Vince and Jan over there. Here we go. Yep. So this is the trekking. This is the river of Malumpati. Our guide is in front of us, wearing beautiful push-up pink. Here you go. That's a handsome boy. And there's one. There you go. So we're walking for like 20-30 minutes hike until we reach to the top so that we can do tubing later. All right. Woohoo! Ayun, picture na daw, sabi ni Sir Pogi. You see the beautiful, beautiful place. There you go. That's what we're going to walk later. Oh, may bukal. Fountain of Youth, pag ininom mo yan. Wow. Ayun. Gara, baka maubos. Baka maano, ang bigat mo, Gara. Dala, oh my God, ang bigat. Anli ang channel po dito. Ayan. Kuya. Ayun. Si Jan at si Karatot. Ayun. Ano yung sabi nyo kanina? Kruhay?
Yes, ma'am. Kruhay.
Kruhay. Ano yun?
Ma'am, welcome.
Welcome. Was Kruhay Malumpati. Meaning, mabuhay Malumpati. What a good, beautiful experience here in Malumpati right now. Saan ang ahas? Saan? Ay! Ayun yung, ay, hindi ko makita pero katakot. Wag na, uy, wag niyo ako katakot. May ahas nga. Laruan lang yun? Hindi nga. Asan? Yan na yan, taong ko yan. Oh, rapid na, okay. Let's see. Okay. Pag natawag pa, hindi kayo magkaano-ano, okay. Okay, saan pa yan? Dito na. Relax lang. Okay. The falls! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wow! Wow! Walang yan. Ang pera! Woo! Oh my God! Pero hindi pa siya nagtakas. Pero pa isa. Oh, naku, wag pagtakas. Sayang ang ganda natin pag tumawag tayo, kuya.
Sapa-sapa.
Ito na. Oh my God, see the dance? Woo! Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Woo! Oh my God, sarap. Woo! Alright, that was fun. Sarap ng tubig, grabe. Woo! Alright. Wow! Wow! Ha? Ah! Oh my God, that was Nawi mo pa. It's always fun in the Philippines. Oh, you go another one. Woo! Woo!
Grabe, ano, parang natanam.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Bitin nga.
Shit, walang tumaw. Shit, lahat.
That was fun. Anong gara? Nahirapan yung guide mo? Kailan nahirapan yung guide mo gara? Mawawa yung guide mo gara.
Galing namin yung kurang kay ma'am.
Hindi ba punta kami ngayon? Ay bukas. Dito muna. Woo!
May ano ma'am? Tuloy.
Ano nga ba yung hotel natin sa Boracay?
Katiklan.
Ay, ngayon po opo sa Katiklan. Oo. Yan. That is the end of our journey where we're all going to jump over the cliff there. I don't know if I will, but for sure the kids will too. I'm not getting any younger, so I don't want to break my bones. So folks, I should say that this is really fun and you should try it. All right. Ano mga kapatid, nag-enjoy kayo? Enjoy na enjoy. Enjoy ka na. Enjoy ka? Diyan, enjoy. Woo! Yay! Nandito na kami po. Yes. Ayan. Hawak ka man. Buhay. 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 Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Buhay, malupati! Ano, malalim?
Lalim.
Wow! Masarap? Isa pa?
Ano ka, boy? Boy,
Isa pa?
Thank you.